Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to cover how you take a page in the not linked section of your Squarespace website and make it live. So as you can see here, we are on my demo website, and let's say this Team 2 page, which is not ready, but let's just say and imagine it was ready to go live. We're like, yep, this is exactly what we want, and this is what we want to go live. Well, it's in the not linked section. How do we make it go live? So the first thing we need to consider is this. If I go to Team 2, I click on the settings wheel, you're gonna see enable page is checked off. So it is actually already live. So that's the first thing we need to consider. The page is technically already live. Now, some people might be asking when they ask this question is, how do I add it to the navigation? Well, you can simply and easily just drag it up, and now it'll refresh the page and you'll see here, Team 2 is now live, just like that. Or there's another option. So I'm gonna actually drag it back down here, and then what I'll do is I'm gonna add it to the services page. Or actually I'll create its own link here. So I'm gonna click the plus sign. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on link. And then once I click on that, I can name this whatever I want. I could say our team. And then here, all I have to do is do /, and then all my pages show up. So all I need to do is start typing it in, and you'll see Team 2 is here. I click on that. There's more options here in the settings wheel if you need more advanced options for the link. And then I'll click save. Just like that, it's added. And then just like that, I can drag it to wherever I want in the menu, and we're good to go. One reason I personally like using links versus the actual page is because it keeps this section decluttered. This section could get really busy really fast. So it allows you to use these links, move them, change them. Say for example, this growth guide, I don't really want it in the navigation anymore. Well, I can just drag it out and be good to go. And then I would go to whatever page is growth guide. For example, if it was this page, I click the settings wheel and then I just disable the page. That way it's completely turned off to anyone who accesses it. So when I go about creating a brand new page, this is how I go about the process. Say I'm gonna add a page to a website that's already live, keyword already live, and I don't want to screw up the SEO or I don't want to mess anything up. This is what I do. I go to not linked section. That's where I will create the page. So I'll go in here. Let's just use a blank page to start. I'll name it. Let's call it About Us. I'll hit save. It'll load. The first thing I'll do is go to the settings wheel. I'm going to change two things. You don't technically need to do both, but I'm going to do both just to show you ultimate, like you only need to do one of these, but I'm going to hide it from search results. And then I'm going to go to general as well. I'm going to disable the page. That way the page is hidden from the internet. So as I work on it, it's not getting indexed. People can't find it, any of that. Then I could come in here, build out the page. Once the page is ready, I would go back to the not linked section. I would click the link, and then I type in About Us, and then I tag the page here. Let's see. It's not loading, but I'll just do that and hit save. So now I've created the link. So once I'm ready to go live, I'll click the settings wheel. I'll enable the page. I will enable SEO, fill out this information here, hit save, and then what I'll do is I'll drag this in to the navigation wherever I want it to go. So let's say I add it there. And just like that, I've added it. So when somebody clicks on this, I'm already on the page. Let me get out of it. So when somebody clicks on it, you'll see it's going to highlight that page there. So it's a pretty straightforward process, and that's how you can take anything in your not linked section and make it live. What's really cool about this as well, this is like the more advanced side of it. Okay, so we have a store here. So let me click on the store. I don't know what products are in my store. I have 3 products. I don't have any categories built. So let me do that now. So let me just click on this product. I'm going to edit, just keep it as it is, close this. I'm going to go to organization and add a category. So main, so let's say leather goods, and I'll hit add. So now we have that category. It's checked off. It's selected. I'll hit done. Then I will hit save. You're going to see some of these sections get reorganized here. So if I go back, instead of going back to all the pages, I now have this new page with leather goods. Great. All right, so as you can see here, this is our store. And so now I have this category and I want to link directly to this category. Let me show you how to do that. what I would do here is I click on leather goods. And because I'm logged in, this menu is here. It gives me this config, blah, 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 blah. But if I click the escape key or click the / or that arrow up, you're going to see it'll take me to the URL of the store of this specific page. So if I copy just this part here, just that there, everything after the final.com, well, I have some good news for you. We could do something really cool. So I'm going to click the plus sign and then do add a link and then go here and put leather goods. And then here, I'm just going to paste that and then click save. So say, for example, I had a folder. I'm just going to do it really quick. That was products. And then I had a bunch of links in it. Well, what I could do is I could have that product store or the products. And then when somebody clicks on leather goods, let me show you because I'm on the page now. Let me show you. If they click on leather goods, it will take me to that specific page that highlights only the leather goods. So this is a way to get pages live from your not linked section. And then you could also get specific sections, blog post categories, product categories, any type of categories linked in your navigation to link to whatever new section, new column, new product, anything new you've created on your site. You could link directly to it. Now, the final thing, this is an in-depth video. The final thing is, let's say you have the Team 2 page and you want it to go live, but you don't want it in the main navigation. Well, a way you can get it live is to put it into the footer. So I can go down here, I can click on edit and then edit the footer. And if I had a full footer here and like, let's say it said home and then about and then team, for example, and I'll just center it. Well, what I could do is I could highlight that. Command K allows me a hyperlink. And then what I do here is just do / and just like that, team 2, apply, and we are good to go. So in that way, technically, I have just made the page live. So someone clicks on it, they have access to it now. So that is how you take something from the not linked section and make it live on your site. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you got value from this video, I have some resources for you that I bet will be helpful. Check out the link down below where you could access more resources that are free for you, for your website, for your online presence, for your design, all of that. Check out the link below. With that, if you got value from this video, let me know by hitting that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells the YouTube algorithm some important information, but it also tells me that you got value from this video. And if you want more content like this, please subscribe. When you subscribe, you'll make sure you get updated every single week. We publish a new video every single Friday. So when you hit that subscribe button, you will be notified. And with that, have a great day wherever you are in the world. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.